I'm Craig with Datavideo. I'm here at the InfoComm show, and I wanted to show you some of our new products that we have for the show. Lots and lots of integrators here wanted to see applications for streaming, for education, for corporate, for worship. These are the type of products that we have that we can show you right now. Some brand new products that no one else has ever seen, we have now in the booth. So I want to give you a quick tour, and you can take a look at some of our new products. First is the PTC 140. It's a 20x zoom, pan-tilt zoom camera, 1080p. The price is incredible. I can't tell you what it is yet, but you'll be really impressed when it launches. It should launch in about 6 weeks from the InfoComm show. Next, I have the RMC 300. This is our new camera controller. A lot of people have been asking, why need more camera inputs that I can control? This will do it. This will do 24 cameras. It also has 14 presets per camera. I can network all my cameras on a tablet, so I just put the tablet here, I network all my cameras, and then I can actually select the buttons that I want. So I have tactile buttons and the ability to network it here as well if I want to. This has been one of the hotter applications that we've had at InfoComm. Lots of customers want to auto switch at a conference, at a city council meeting, anywhere where you have many people that are talking into a microphone, and you don't want some guy there switching the whole time. This allows you to auto switch. So let me just basically show you how it works. So what we do is have one camera here, and it's running through our KMU 100, which is a 4K processor. It allows me to take various shots from that 4K image. What I can do is then run it into the SC1200, and I can talk into it. So if I talk into it right here, I'm talking, and you can see the program over here, it switches to me. Now when Miguel, go ahead and...
Hello. All right, this is my shot. Here's my shot.
And then when I talk, it cuts back to me. Now let's not either one of us talk. You can see it automatically cuts to a wide shot. So I can cut to camera A, camera B, camera C, D, E. It's got 6 inputs I can actually do this with and do a one wide shot. This is the new hd-sdi switcher. It's a portable switcher, 12 inputs. There's 8 SDI and 4 HDMI inputs. What's nice about it is 1080p, it's portable. I can bring this with me to any show, any event, live event that I have that needs multiple cameras. So if I have 6, 8 cameras and a couple laptops that I need to bring in for a production, this is a great opportunity to do that with because it's so easy to set up. It has a streaming button here, so I can stream directly from the switcher. And it also has a record button with the little option here, put an SD card and record the program during my production. The hd-sdi has lots of features, as you can see. One of the things I like about it, it has 4 chroma key. So if I want to key in different picture-in-picture, I could just bring them right up with a shortcut key here. And here I've got 4 picture-in-picture in my program. I can do that in preview as well. Some of the other features it has a T-bar right here, and I can cut. I can auto switch. It also has software that it comes with that you can load onto a laptop, plug that right into the switcher, and I can downstream or upstream my logos, my crawls, my scrolls, anything that I want for graphics right into the switcher. If you want to see more of our videos, please go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to us, and we'll send you a notification of all our new videos. Also on Facebook, please like us, and we'll do the same. If you want more information about any of our products that you saw, please visit our website at datavideo.com. And thanks for watching.